Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Distrobird. So Distrobird is a tool that has three primary features and I'm pretty sure that you are going to find all of them useful. The number one feature is you are going to get a sales CRM where you can manage your leads. You will also get email automation, which means by using these automations, you can run your cold email campaigns. And last but definitely not the least, you can also set up your own call center. Distrobird is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $1,800, but at Appsumo you are getting the lifetime deal of Distrobird at only $59. And as you can see, Distrobird is an alternative to Mixmax, Outreach and Podium. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. You will get the sales and CRM platform. You can track your forms and create them. You will get the block list feature, task feature. You can add unlimited teammates. You can add automated and manual email steps for the email campaign. You can create unlimited steps every sequence. You can also create unlimited rules per step. And there are also a lot of other features. And here are three tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. With the tier 1, the price is $59 with 3 users and 20 workflows, which means you can create 20 automations on this tier. If you want more, you can opt for the tier 2 that has 50 automations or tier 3 that has unlimited automations. And on tier 2 and tier 3, there is an additional feature which is the optional Distrobird signature. So if you want to buy Distrobird on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into Distrobird, you will get this dashboard. And currently we are in the setup page. So there are a lot of setups you have to do once you hop on the dashboard. So first you have the profile settings, your organization settings, and you can also set up widgets or you can also see all the integrations. So here are all the available integrations and there are also some upcoming integrations. As you can see, here are those, and you can also see all of your installed integration on this section. And then there is the phone number section. So on here, you can add different phone numbers and you can use those phone numbers to launch various campaigns such as SMS campaign. And from Distrobird, you are going to get your own phone number. As you can see, this is my phone number. And then you can also add various team members if you go to this team. And these are all of the team groups. So for customer success, there is one group. For support, there's another. So you can also create another team from this create team button. And once you want to add members, you can click on invite members to add your teammates. And then you can go to members to see all the people that you have added. And if you send an invite to a person, but he still haven't accepted that invitation, you'll get all of those pending invitations on this section. And you can also see your plans and billing from here and your other data such as the variables. And you can also see the DNC list. You can even add to DNC from this button. You can also import your history and see all of your tags. And to create a tag, simply click on this. Let me show you the primary features. So if you click on this navigation, you will get to see all of the primary features. So the first one is inbox. So when you open an account, you are going to be asked for your email and also access to that email. And I have given access. So that's why all of the emails on my inbox are appearing on here. So this is a great feature, I have to say that. And you can also see some other categories on here, such as the mentioned emails and also my own email, my phone number. So if there is any SMS on my Distrobird phone number, that is going to appear on this section. And you will also get access to your team inbox, which means all of the conversations between your team members, they are going to appear on this team inbox. And if you want to compose directly from here, you can also do that. Click on compose. Now all you have to do is the basic email procedure. Let's close this one. And if you click on the Zoomers, so I have given Zoomers as my company name. So you'll see your own company name on here. And if you click on this, you can access all of your workspaces. So once again, let's click on navigation and go to this calls. So on here, you will see all of the details about your call, such as you can see the inbound calls. So the total number of calls, total missed calls, number of callers, and also the total duration. You can also add various filters to filter through massive data. And if you want to make some calls, simply click on this call button. Then you have to enter the phone number. You will also have to select the phone number from Distrobird. I only have one, and you have to select the speaker and microphone, and then you can make a call from here. And if you enable this record record call option, the whole conversation on your call is going to be recorded. So that is also amazing. And as you can see, I currently have only one number on Distrobird. I can also buy more numbers. For that, click on buy number. So from here, I can buy more numbers from Distrobird. So let's close this one. And you can also see your outbound calls. So here are the stats for outbound calls. You can also see the disposition codes here. As you can see, with various details, you're going to see all of those. You can also see your call purposes. So here are some of the purposes. And then you can see the whole call reports, which means all of the statistics about your calls on this section. So the active calls, inbound calls, and all those stuff. And there are some upcoming stats. And by using them, you will be able to see the daily stats, team stats, agent stats. And also there will be a dedicated dashboard for your calls. Now let's click on navigation and let's go to contacts. So these are all of the contacts that are crawled using my email address. As I have said earlier, I have connected my own email, Gmail, and using that Gmail, all of the contacts that were available on that account are going to appear on here. So this is also amazing. I can directly get the contact details on here. All I have to do is click on a particular contact and I'm going to see all of the details on here. I can also take some actions. And if I want to add more contacts, simply click on actions. Either add a single contact or I can import a lot of contacts at once. And if I click on mine, here are some more contacts. And on the left side, on this site visitor section, you can see the live visitors, the history, and also the form submissions. So here are some details. Now let's click on navigation and go to automations. So from this section, you can launch various campaigns or create automations. For that, click on this create sequence. So on here, you can now start creating your sequence. Let's give it a name and you have to choose whether you want personal sequence or team. So let's keep it personal and let's provide some random description and click on continue. Now you have to select your audience and then you can add various contacts, and all of the contacts that are available on that contact section, they are going to appear. You can add contact from here or you can also add contact using CSV file. Let's click on continue. And on here you can set exclusions. So what is this exactly? You will get an idea here. Use exclusions to stay organized and avoid multiple outreaches to contacts already in a different sequence. So this is another great feature of Distrobird. Now click on finish. Now this sequence has been created. Now you can add various steps. So you can either add call step, email step, or SMS step. So if I choose email step, for email campaign, I have to give the title and then I have to choose if I want manual emailing or automated. Let's keep it automated. Then I have to choose maximum number of contacts and select preferred emailing window. Click on next. Now I have to choose the email address, which means the email inbox. So let's choose this one. I only have one. Now you can also track email opens. You can also track when links in your email have been clicked. So to use any of this feature, you simply have to turn on whichever you want. Click on next. Now you have to craft your message. So on top, you can also select the email type. It could be follow-up to a previous email or a whole new thread. And then you can write your email message and subject on here. And for message, there are a lot of templates available. So if you click on this, as you can see, there are templates for sales reminder, for a demo, for starting production, and a lot of other email templates that are already available. For example, I want this sales reminder. And as you can see, this email is already here. You can also add variants. So this is variant 1, this is variant B. So this way you can add variants. And once all of these settings are done, you can simply click on save to start your campaign. And you will also see all of your stats about your campaign on this section. So here are very detailed stats on here. You can also get details of your audience from here, and you can also set exclusions on here. So now let's explore some other features. Then there is the template section. So here are a lot of templates on here. As you can see, there are a lot of templates. And if you click on this action, you can even create another template or create a folder, then add templates to that folder. And then there is the reports. So this report section is once again the report section that we already seen on the call section, which means all of the reports from your calls, call history. So click on navigation. Now there is another interesting section, which is widgets. So you can create your own widget. As you can see, I have created one. For that, click on create new widget. You have to give a widget name. Then you have to provide the website URL. Let's provide this one. click on create widget. So now the widget has been created. Here's the code snippet. You can also get a setup guide if you click on this link, and you can test the installation if you want. And on this widget you can have form submissions. So if you click on enable form submission, it is now enabled. So if you click on add new, now you can choose the URL path for your form submission. You can also add this SMS and call chat. So once again, if you click on enable SMS, you have to choose the number. You can also enable calls on this widget. All you have to do is choose your number. And then if you click on navigation once again, you can see your teams, all of the teams here, and also all of the team members. And you also have the phone number section where you will get access to all of your own phone numbers. And you can buy phone number if you click on this buy number. You can also see if someone has assigned any phone number to you. And you can also see the phone numbers that have been provisioned by you. So overall, I have to say Distrobird is an excellent tool that has a sales CRM. It also allows you to automate your cold email campaigns, and there is even a call center, and you also get a phone number from Distrobird for absolutely free of charge. So that is amazing. And as for the email automation, the procedure to set up your campaigns is very easy. There are also a lot of templates that you can use for your campaigns. And the sales CRM also has all the features that are needed to excel in nurturing your leads. So if you want to buy Distrobird on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Here are all the features that you are going to get with this deal. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.